Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to create Microsoft Forms quiz from your laptop or desktop. Let's see how to do that. Before that, kindly subscribe HowXT channel and click the bell icon to know about more videos. Yes, from my laptop or desktop, I would like to create a quiz and I would like to send to my students for the link. So how to create Microsoft Forms? So once you type Microsoft Forms, automatically it will direct you to the forms.microsoftoffice.com. It will direct you to that forms. So similarly, whatever you Google Forms you use, similarly the Microsoft Forms also same thing. We can able to survey and pose and make a quiz. So everything with a different kind of style and options. So first, this is Microsoft Forms, collect a better data and make a better decision. So once you click sign in option, you need to give you a Gmail account for your Microsoft Forms creation. For example, I have given my email ID to give my password and I can sign in. So this is a forms, the basic version of the template. So I have logged in with my Gmail account. Use your Gmail account, you can create a form. So you need to sign in with your Microsoft account. Yes, that is my Gmail account and I have given the password. So this is a form basic things. So if you want to create a new form, new quiz and custom feedback survey and course evaluation survey, premier template, everything will be available. Now I would like to create a new quiz and I would like to show you so how to create a quiz option in my Microsoft Forms. So just hit the button new quiz. Once you click a new quiz, automatically your form will be created like this kind of format. So quiz title, for example, if you want to give untitled questions, so you want to give the quiz title, for example, World News GK. So once I give the different kind of meaning, I can give whatever detail I want, I can give. For example, this question, this title should have some image, means just hit the button in the right hand side corner, insert image. For example, title. Apart from the title, I want to insert the image. Once you click the image option, you want to search the image, you can drive OneDrive, you can upload the image from your laptop. For example, I want to search world map, for example. Yeah, so I just search world map. So there are a different kind of world maps is available. So whatever things I would like to add, I can select and add. Automatically my picture will be added to my form. So this is an easy step. For example, if your file is not supported, means you can search and you can keep some other different kind of files you can add. Yes, so now I can able to add the file. So my file is added here. So the world new GK, for example, world related GK, I would like to make it. If I want to delete the image, I can delete here, I can edit, that is I can add more things. So this is entire your description. If you want about your quiz description, you can give your description. So now I would like to add new. For example, you have choice based, text based, rating based, date based, everything will be available. First I would like to get the student name, text. So once I click the text, automatically you need to give name, so name of the student, and you want to insert the image, you can insert the media. For example, you want image or video, you can insert a video or medium. Yes, so this one, so that is name should be a long answer or short answer, you need to select here. For example, long answer means it will be like a paragraph box. Your name should be in a short answer, means you can give short answer, and you can give a required field. For example, this field is required, so you can give your required field. For example, this need any other points, you want enter the points, means you can enter the points according to your needs. Yes, I want to add new questions, I just click add and I can add new text and register number. Once I click your registration number, my student's registration number, it will be a long answer or short answer, I can give this is a required field. For example, I want to make, once they click name and register number, automatically it should move to the next section. For example, I just click here, automatically subtitle, restriction, max and add branching is available. I can add the branch. For example, I just add the branch. Yes, this is a new branch. For example, if I want to click next or end the form or anything else, I can click next. Yes, once I click next, go to next. So next field, it is new, add new. So for example, text. So you need to give, the students need to give the answer for any other GK related. For example, so COVID-19. So about COVID-19, they want to give the answer. They can give long answer or anything else. If they want to give answer wise, they can give the answer wise. I can give the points of this. Yes, 10 points I have given, and add new text, and I can give choice rated, rating and date. Everything will be available. I can select the date, and once I select the date, and so they can choose the date. So this is also is under 10 points. They can choose the date. And if you want to choice based questions, you can select the choice based and you can enter. So BCA is a computer application or any other things they can select application. Yeah. So or CA or any other options they want, they can add. So CS, so similarly they can add. So you want multiple answer they want to give, just hit means automatically box will be open here. They want only the check box, that is choice based box, means they can give. Yes, this is an easy step. You can create a quiz option using your Microsoft form. You want to click and select a theme option, just select the theme option. You can select different kind of themes will be available. You can choose or you can add customize. I just select some other themes which is related to my topic, and if I want to see the preview, I can click and see the preview. Yes, so this is my preview screen. So from the computer it's look like this. For example, I need to give my name and I need to give my register number, and COVID, what is a COVID-19, and Republic means what is the date they have to choose, and this is a choice based things. So I can submit my answer. If this will be a mobile view, means how will it will be displayed, just hit the button mobile, automatically it will convert into mobile based model. So they can check, the teacher can check whatever style they want and they can add according to their needs. And if your question is done, you want to see the response, you can click and have the response. You can export as a Excel file. Yes, this is an easy way. You want to create a link to send to your students, just hit the button send option, automatically it will link will be displayed over here. So once you click the link, automatically the form link will be ready. You can copy the link, you can paste the link, means automatically that link will be pasted over here with your quiz. So use this quiz, you can able to enter your answer and you can submit to your teachers. This is an easy option. Using Microsoft Form, you can create a professional quiz option. Thanks for watching. Have a great and good day.